everyone. Today we are going to solve practice assignment 10. The third question. Let x be the outcome of tossing a fair die. So x is tossing a fair die. Fine. And y be the outcome of tossing a coin. So we are having a fair die and a fair coin. Find variance of x plus y. Correct up to 2 decimal points. And here x and y are independent. And we know that when x and y are independent, variance of x plus y will be equal to variance of x plus variance of y. Okay. So first of all, we will find out the value of variance of x, which will be equal to expectation of x squared minus expectation of x whole square. Right. Now, here x is the tossing of a fair die, right? So x have the sample space as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the faces of the die, right? So what are the probabilities of getting these values? It will be equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6, right? So the probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6, probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6, 3 is 1 by 6, similarly all the, okay? So the value of expectation will be 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6, similarly 6 into 1 by 6, right? So this can be solved here, which will be equal to 21 by 6, which is equals to 3.5. Now we will find out the value of expectation of x square, which is 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6. Similarly, 6 square into 1 by 6. Okay. If we solve this value, we will get 15.1667. Now, let me solve here. So the variance of x will be equal to 15.1667, which is the expectation of x square value, minus expectation of x is 3.5 whole square, right? So this is the value, which will be equal to 2.9167. Okay, we have find out the value of variance of x. Now we will find out the value of variance of y. So here y is representing what? Y is representing the coin. So coin has two values, right? There is head and there is tail, right? So I'm representing head as 0 and tail as 1. And what is the probability of getting head, which is 1 by 2, and the probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and this is the probability of y is equals to y. Now we will find out the value of expectation of y, which will be equal to 0 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2, which will be equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Now expectation of y square will be 0 square into 1 by 2 plus 1 square into 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2, which is equals to 0.5, right? So variance of y will be equal to expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square, right? So expectation of y square is 0.5 minus 0.5 whole square, which will be equal to minus 0.25, which is equals to 0.25. So now we will put all this value here, which is variance of x plus variance of y. So here we had value 2.9167 plus 0.25. Here we got the value as 3.1667 as the answer. Fine. Okay.